finna show y'all how to make your hair feel soft and look silky.
Natural soft, natural silky. Man, what's the deal? This is Bucci, the medium mixed waver. I'm gonna show you guys how to give your hair like a natural, good, smooth, silky shine, and just have your hair in waves looking silky. As you can see, I got the silky DURAG on. This really helps to make your hair look wavy and silky because it's a silky rag. So when it lays your hair down, it just gives it a nice, good, smooth, a good lay down. But in order to really have like a good, smooth, really good, smooth waves, you gotta have you some good cream grease. Some good cream grease. This right here. The shell butter I was talking about in my other video. The good shell butter. Because it's creamy and it's soft. It's not just like grease. Like it has its own little cream. I don't know what's it made of, but it's from South Africa. And I just came back from South Africa on a boat. So to have the good silky waves, you have to have you a good brush. A good brush. This good grease will just have your hair looking real smooth and silky. And like I said, you gotta make sure you have you a silky wave cap. Have you a silky wave cap. It doesn't matter what color it is. And make sure you have you a good compression. You need to have you a good compression so it can hold it down. As you can see, my hair is silky. So if you follow these techniques, what I'm telling you about this medium texture waver and this mixed stuff, your hair will really be wavy and it'll be smooth. Because my hair, when I first started waving, my hair didn't used to look like this. It wasn't this smooth. It wasn't this smooth. You have to really put in hard work to get the smooth and the silkiness, which it starts off with a brush. So you have to brush a lot if you want it to get smooth. Because as you keep brushing, your hair starts to train. You start training your hair and it starts to lay down. And it starts forming the silkiness. Because you're brushing it a lot, you're putting a lot of compression on it. So it starts to smooth out the curls. Because waves are really laid down curls. So it starts to smooth everything down. But yeah, this is Bucci, how to get the medium texture mixed waves. I'm out.
This hair waver, as y'all already should know. I should know that by now. I'm finna show y'all how I got my hair to look so silky. A lot of people been in my DM telling me like, how you get your hair so silky, how you get your hair so deep. You of course hair waver, how you do that? You look like a mixed hair waver. What I use is this stuff right here, man. Right there, it's a curl enhancement smoothie. This is what it look like on the inside. It's like a cream type. It's not really a pomade, so you can apply a little. Reason why I said apply a little amount in my last video is because you want it to just cover up your hands to where your hands are white. Not too cakey, but just enough to where it just, you grab a little dip, put it, apply it. Make sure when you apply it, see the reason why you need to apply it like real fast is because you don't want it all to be in one section. You want to spread it out throughout your whole head. So once you boom, rub it in, keep rubbing it until it get all nice and white. Boom, you apply it in real fast. Boom, 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 boom. Make sure you're hitting all your angles though. You hit all your angles, it's gonna be all, your hair should be all white. Boom, you brush it in till your hair is back dark to whatever color your hair is. Boom, brush it in, boom. And that's how, this is the product you need right here. You can find it at Walmart or any local beauty supply, Target, anywhere. You just look for this right here. You can screenshot the video right now. This is what you need right here. Boom, like that. And then it'll make it, that's how I really got my hair to look like this. It really got my hair looking real nice and silky. And that's how come it look real good in the picture. So you just get a good brush session in. Make sure you brush, and it'll start looking silky, man. You make sure you woof and all that. We got the video on a 6-week woof. Show you how to do that, and that's how my hair was looking good. But even though I cheated to 5, if you watch the video, if you're a real fan, you'll know. That's pretty much what you need right there, man. Good bottle of this right here.